On the board, you have given that log 27 base A plus log 4 base B equal to 5. And log 27 base A minus log 4 base B equal to 1. Without using table, let's look for the values of A and B on the board. This is logarithm taking us to simultaneous linear equation. The how do you trash this? Very simple. Let's do it. First of all, I'll bring out the equation. This is giving us equation 1, and this is giving us equation 2. Solution. You have your log 27 base A plus log 4 base B equal to 5. I'll call this equation 1. Now you have the next one. You have your log 27 base A minus your log 4 base B equal to 1, which gives us our equation 2. Now, using the elimination method, we'll eliminate the B. You eliminate the B. And how do you eliminate B? You eliminate B by adding both together. You eliminate B by adding equation 1 and equation 2 together. That's how we eliminate the B. How? Look at the board. Here, you open a big circle which represents your multiplication sign, and you out your addition sign here. Now, log 27 base A plus log 27 base A will give us 2 log 27 base A. Okay? Now, plus times minus is minus. Plus this minus this is out. It gives us 0. That's cancelled out. Now, equal to, you have a 5 plus this is a 6 on the board. So we've gotten the 6. Now, what should we do now? Remember, whenever we are solving this, we should look for the value of A and B. So when solving simultaneously, first of all, you have to look for your A before your B. Now, we're going to search for the A first on the board. Now, how do we get the A on the board? We want this log 27 base A to be alone. So what we do, we divide both sides by 2. So we need to cancel these 2 out so that the log 27 base A will be alone. So 2 cancel out 2. 2 is equal to this is 3. So it will give us log 27 base A equal to 3 on the board. So having done this on the board, now we need to solve to get our A. Now, how do we get the A? Now, in order to arrive at our A here, I'll say log 27 base A is equal to 3. Now, how do we solve for the A now? To solve for the A, this 3 out here comes here to become a big one. Now, the base becomes a power, and your 27 becomes this way. Sit it down. So we need to equate both values. To equate it, it will be 3 raised to the power of A equals to 3 raised to the power of 3. Because 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. So now, since the whole are being equated now, we work on the power. So it gives us A equal to 3. So we've gotten the A now. Our A is 3. Now, what should we solve for? Remember, we're looking for the values of A and B. We'll solve for our A, which is 3. Now, let's solve for the B. Now, how do you get the B? You say you put this equation you got here. You say put A equal to 3 into equation 1. This is our equation 1. What is equation 1? We write it out. We say log 27 base A plus log 4 base B equal to 5. This is equation 1. So we put this A, which is equal to 3, in equation 1. Means anywhere you find your A, you replace it with what? 3. And you watch now, this is A. So replace the A with 3. So it will be log 3. Log 27 in base 3. This A now will not be there. The A now changes to 3. Now plus log 4 base B equal to 5. Now what we do, we collect our like terms. we collect likeness because we want the b you're looking for to remain. Now this b will be here. So it's now be log 4 base b is equal to 5. Now this one will go to the other part, making it minus log 27 in base 3. See it now. Now what should we do again? This will be log 4 base b equal to, you have your 5 minus, if you watch, this 27 can give us a square, a raised to the power of the number because of the base here. Log to the base, log to its base. There must be a log to its base. Now, to make this to have the same as the base, to be the same as the base, it will be log 3 raised to the power of 3 to base 3. Because 3 raised to the power of 3 here now will give us 27. Have you seen it? Which is this, and this is the base. Now what should we do? We write log 4 base b is equal to 5 minus this 3 as a power on top. We multiply the log. So this 3 as a power will come down to multiply this log. Log 3 base 3. Now what should we do? We'll bring down this by saying log 4 in base b is equal to 5 minus 3. Now log 3 to its base will give us 1. So this cancel this will give us times 1. So now what you have now, you have your log 4 in base b is equal to 5 minus 3 times 1 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have log 4 base the b. Now what should we do? To look for the b, what you need to do, let's bring it over here. Bring it over here to be log 4 base b equal to 2. The same thing we did here. Remember, we're looking for the b. The same thing we did here, that's what we'll do here. This 2 turns to a bigger one. The b becomes the power equal to 4. Now we equate the whole number. This will give us raised to the power. This will give us a raised to the power. So it will be 2 raised to the power b equal to 4 here. Become 2 raised to the power of 2. You see now? They are having the power together. So since they're having the same whole number, we work on the power, which becomes b equal to 2. So this is, so our a is 3 and b is 2, which is the value of a and the b. Thank you.